So today, we're gonna be making these headlights a lot brighter by 300%. Let's do it. Alright, so for this installation, it's going to be super simple. Alright, the only thing you're really going to need are your hands and a rag, probably a wet rag. Get some water, right? So I choose this Farron LED lighting kit, which says it's like 300% brighter. So this is what the kit comes with. It comes with the fan for it right here in the back, the LED light, and you plug that up to your light housing. Comes with two of them. Comes with zip ties, and it comes with adhesive tape. Is it Velcro? No, it's adhesive. It's double-sided adhesive, so that way you could actually stick this part right here to the car. That's the reason why you're going to need a rag, because on a dirty surface, nothing sticks. First thing we want to do is pop this hood up. Yeah, that way, this hood up. So we're gonna go in the car. And if you don't know where it's at, because it's your first time ever popping a hood, it's this thing right here. So you just pull it, bam. The way for you to pop your hood is the latch is over this way, more towards like the passenger side. If you see right here, there is a yellow latch. You just put your hand under, pull up, and pop the hood. That's it. The latch thing is there, so that way you can hook it up here, the prop. To pop this headlight off, all you gotta do really, there's one right here, two right here, and it comes off. Just like that. The only thing it's attached to here is the turning signal blinker and the actual headlight. So with like a little screwdriver or whatever, you just pop this up and disconnect it, and then for the blinker, all you gotta do is lift both tabs up on each side. Mine broke because they were dry, but it's already out. So you just pop it off, and then you just take the headlight off. Bam, and that's it. It's just that one and that one right there. So today we're actually going to be swapping out the headlights so that way they could be brighter, but also we are going to be swapping out the blinker lights for LED lights, because the little light bulbs that I had went out. One of them went out, so it's like, why am I gonna buy a light bulb? I might as well turn it into LED now, you know. So I'll link in the description below both headlights, the LED lights from Farron that I bought, and the light bulb turning signal one. That way, if you like what y'all see, y'all can go ahead and buy it. But all right, so let's get to this. Okay, so if, let's say for example, this light bulb or whatever, the LED, focus, hold on, come on. So let's say for example the LED does not fit on your car because it needs this little clamp thing right here that you just need a twist to take out. This thing right here actually is able to turn until it can actually come out. So yeah, you do that, you put this right here through there, and then you put this piece right back on top. So you put the piece that needs to go onto the car, then you take this piece and you just put it right back on it, and then you just twist it just like how you did. So, oh, it goes the other way. Then you just twist it like how it went to secure it. That's how you get past the little fan thing that's there. So yeah, you just twist and you get it back to the spot where you want it, and that's it. Then you just attach it right back to the car. So attach it to the car like so, like that, and then this part right here, just twist just like that, and there you go, it's on. Alright, so there you have it. So the only thing I am waiting for right now are the LED bulbs for the turning signals, because one of my turning signals went out. The reason I know that is because when I turned left and put my turn signal on, that thing was flashing so fast, I felt like Flash was around me. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for that. It's gonna be in like about 2 to 3 hours that it might get here. So it's a nice day here in Florida, but you know, with the power of editing, the light bulbs are going to be here right about now. Alright, so we just got them in. It's been quite a while. As you can see, the sun is not as bright, but we're going to be installing these now. I'll show you what they look like after I open these up. Alright, so you don't really have to take the whole headlight off if you don't want to, but like I said, you only grab the 2 clips. There should be one right here. Mine broke off because, you know, it's dry and the car's old. So yeah, there's 1 clip here and 1 on the bottom. So you just push them up and you take this off, like bam, see? So you just take that off right there. Yeah. And then this right here, you just twist and it comes off. See, that's it. Alright, so all you gotta do is just pop it out of this socket right over here. So this is the old one. These are the new amber lights right here. Bam, look at that LED light, looking so good and stuff. It's gonna be so bright. So you just enter and push down. Bam, that's it. That's all. There you go, there's your new one. So all you gotta do is put it back in place, twist it, plug it back up, put the headlight back in, put the 2 pins in, and you're good to go. So that's about it. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like once night falls. Lights are much brighter. The turning signals work phenomenal. So if you like that, don't be afraid to get it. Alright, like I said again, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the stuff in the link in the description below. So if you want it, go and get it. Hey, it'll make that car look so much better. Don't forget to scratch on that like button and stomp on that subscribe button to become part of the Dragon Clan. Me and Dragoness will catch you on the next one. Have a good day.